how did you get to a sound system, and what sound were you permanent on a sound system, or what was the deal with that there?
Well, while living downtown, them time as a young youth, going to school, doing my thing in school, doing my thing out of school. Because as soon as me leave school, yeah, if me have homework, me try to do it and we put it down and leave it for another day and blah blah, and we come on the road and then the dancer keep me going there. You know, being in the community till Ninja Man, I bless him soul. You know, Ninja Man. This is my bad.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Ninja Man is a youth. You know, him bad as a bad artist. Verbally, you know, I say the physical part is not really bad, but you know, in coming at the area and then the man in the background, them like him, them work there and them like him, but me work on the same show and the same blah blah. And I said, no, that youth are bad. Make a stop right there. In this government here, but before that, there was someone who make him discover me, and that person is Buzz. God bless him, so they died. He come on the lane, because him and the man in Panagram was friend. He's a producer. He lives in Spanish Town. There was a sound in Spanish Town named oh Lord. Anyway, Juna Demos is on that sound. Pinchers is on that sound. And a lot of us, but we Boss came for us in Kingston, and Boss said, listen to, we need to come work on the sound because we are Billy and Tommy. Tommy was the boss. What is marathon? Yes. Marathon.
Yes.
That's marathon. Yes. Red Pan. See? So we as a young artist was me, Roper, Rowan, and Kibby. Culture not fine. Culture not sitting yet, right? Child star. Culture not reaching in the picture yet.
Okay.
Both come to me and I end up live a Spanish Town for a while because anyway, that's only I go play. We as the young artists have to know, say, yo, we have to dip on the truck and we can't get the car. You know, it was Pinchers as Jonah Demos or, you know, Ricky Stereo or them type of man there. Ricky Stereo was on the so we big up Ricky Stereo too. Yeah, Stitchy comes so my time them too, and even though in the work, in my work, Stereo one. Yes. So why you drag me brain in a world for 6 minutes? Remember, you try to remember about anyway. So anyway, now that is one of the sound them now. We know some with the pan, and from that sound, Jaro recognize me, and what was something going on in them time that the Ninja Man came from me, and Ninja Man say, "I want me to be sideline, but and all these things." But before that, I think I was flying with Courtney Melody. I was working with Courtney Melody first guy. In them time, Buzz was managing Courtney Melody, and Courtney he booked Courtney Melody from some fashion show. I think the first show I went. No, I think anyway, he booked Melody for some show in Fort Lawrence, and Melody go on, and Melody I match up the show, and Melody call me up. If you look at that show, it was me, Rowan, and Kitty.
Okay, was all three of you guys on the show? When you can't go to the side, yes, man.
Yes. I must say a couple of things. That's the angel alone was in place. I want to start to play the whole card forward. Anyway, so in them time, the Ninja say all of them something. So, you know, Ninja say, listen to me. We need it, and we can't. You know, I think I fly out with Courtney Melody. My first friend was came on.
Okay.
And and after that, I think my second friend I came and Ninja Man carry me go up Ninja. Them one Ninja over there and Ninja carry me go over there and get that. Yeah, so I think I get carried away by some person.
No, definitely. I love the lane that you're going through because right now you're actually showing us how it really started with even Ninja Man. So then now, when you connected with Ninja Man, what were some of your first? Did he take you to the studio, or you guys were doing more shows and?
Ninja not in the studio. Straight show. I dance straight night the dance. You know my girl wants dance, go straight down. The Ninja Man usually do 3-4 dance a night. And 5 too. If it's possible. We are driving out in about 3-4. Sometimes I have him have a oh boy, Ninja me live my time. Ninja Man have him wife named Joy, one lady from Switzerland. Later, Ninja Man married a Switzerland woman. So she buy some vehicle and blah, blah, blah. We drive, in them vehicle we use go most of the country, but sometimes in time Ninja Man industry just say, hey, I just drive the gun on wall. Boom, and drive the gun on wall, I like post. Okay. So I'm a general, but anyway, him usually drive from, not him, you know, we usually have drive and we drive from, we work tonight, we work tonight, so we work with Jaro, we work with Marathon, we work with, anyway, Ninja Man, them a book him, then, and him not touch him like unless me touch it first. There's some reason I wonder why, but it's a brother where me pre-night last part and I said, oh, at then time the Ninja is a nervous brother, you know. He nervous. Even me too, but you know, once me touch the mic and me I go on and for me first thing me nervousness go on. So once him see that and the people them I go on, I say, yeah, right then, ready for it, me soldier them bust up, ready for it now, them bust up. Once him come and start in them talk, him just hold the mic and say, hey, listen! And the whole place just start mash up. And he just start up over 50 minutes straight and I say, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Do you remember a night in particular that you and Ninja Man really mashed up a dance back then?
I remember when there was a show keeping at Land Island and Louis book with Father's Ghost and Culture. And we didn't see it camp. And place ram. And Louis said, right then, your time to reverse and culture. And we went out there and go on with yourself, Nearly about 40 minutes. And Louis away on Ninja. Ninja not reaching at the venue yet. So we do about 40 minutes and see we mash up the place. You mash up the place and nice and everything. And go suppose because Louis no one, nobody else work until after we, because Ninja was supposed to come another thing there. I think Shabba supposed to go and some other people, but that's how the Louis said the thing. So after that, no, we mash up the place and we come off and we say, so we done. So Louis I said, no, not done yet, Ninja not reach. We not have to go and sing for more till Ninja reach. And we have to go back on stage, general. And go so constant DJ just sing and sing. And go so boom, so we look at Ninja and say, all right then people, and I think him up and yes, that is one of the incidents where we remember with him. Secondly, when I major incident, remember with Ninja, we got one of the island them. And Louis goes to boom and say, all right, then goes to culture, come here, I got airport. When we reach at airport now, supposed to be on the flight, because Louis knows if them leave Ninja, if the flight I leave Ninja on the flight. Me survey promote, I think we go Belize. The first, Belize. And when we reach at the airport, I was supposed to check in everything. Ninja Man come and say, yeah, everything nice, I did that. When we go to Ninja check in and blah blah, so where I come now, because of boom, so we see Ninja stop right at the front part and say, hey, you know, so I feel like me go back come feel like somebody my woman actually for me. And just drive out at the airport. And Louis said, yo, Ninja come out of the airport drink the people. So me and culture have to go Belize. And Louis did that work for herself, I work for sit that. And culture says, yeah, right, then we're going to deal with it. But Louis, because of, and then do her magic and she sent for Johnny P. And I went out there and go, bad. We said, no, sir, the people like it. I would do about and the people said, no, because our culture, go shot them again. That wow, with yourself. Then Ninja, Johnny P come doing thing. Mark and Danny was at a thing. Danny was at a thing that was in a city, they was playing. That was a couple of major memories.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.